Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add MX records in Hostinger domain. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Hostinger website. After that, sign into your account and you will be on the home page. From the hPanel homepage, look for the Domains section and click on Domain Portfolio. This area lists all the domains you've registered through Hostinger. Next, find the domain you wish to manage and click the Manage button next to it. This will open the domain management page where you can adjust all the important settings related to that specific domain. Once here, look for the DNS or name server section and click on it. This will take you to the DNS management area. Inside the DNS settings, locate the Type drop-down menu. Here, you can select different types of DNS records, such as A, CNAME, or TXT. Since we're focusing on email configuration, scroll through and select MX. This tells the system that you want to add or modify mail exchange records for your domain. Once you've chosen MX, you'll be able to enter or edit the mail exchange record details. These include the priority and mail server values provided by your email service provider. Once everything is checked, click on Add Record. And that's it. You've now successfully added custom MX records in Hostinger for your domain. So that is how you can add MX records in Hostinger domain. So that's all for this video. Thanks.